everyone, my name is Matin and I'm working in the product team at Zenfi. In this tutorial, I'll be going through the steps needed for you to send an automatic and personalized email using Zenfi to thank users for submitting a feedback form. You will need to create an email template using your preferred tool. I've used Microsoft Word, however there are many other tools available. I've already created my email template. However, an important step that is needed is that we need you to put two curly brackets around the parameters that will get changed with each new email being sent out. So for my case, this is the name as well as the email address, which would be coming from the form submission. So we can save this, and now we can go to our Google Drive and upload this HTML email template. So we can drag this onto our Google Drive and it'll get uploaded. And now we can go to Zenfi to create a flow and automate this process. So I'm going to call this feedback form response. It's going to be initiated when there is a submission of a Google form. I'm going to connect it to my Google Forms and I'm going to select the Google form, and I've already created a form called discount code. Now this is going to create a Zenfi flow where we can drag and drop different actions to automate this process. So let's first look at the form that I've already created. We're asking for their email, their name, and then we're asking how happy they were with their last order. So once this is submitted, we have to send a personalized email. So let's go to our Zenfi flow, which we created before. Let's drag on a log to history. So this action is used for auditing and for testing purposes, which I'll talk and demonstrate later on in the video. So I want to get the user's name and as well as the email address and print this to this log. I'm going to get their name as well as their email. The next action that we need to use is the generate HTML. So this will generate the email body. So I'm going to actually call it generate email body. It's asking us where is the HTML template file. It's in the Google Drive where we uploaded it. This is the file that we uploaded just now. And now it's going to ask us if we want to save this to our drive. So if we select it, we have to say where we want to save every new generated personalized email. So I'm going to save it in this folder. And then it's asking us what do we want to call this file. I'm going to just call it the form ID. Now it is going to ask us to map those two parameters which we configured in our email template. So for the first one, I'm going to get the name of this person, and for the email address, I'm going to get this email address from the form as well. Now we can drag on a send email action where I'm going to just email this to myself for now. Thank you, and then we're going to insert their name. And now we need to select the HTML body and we can just use the payload. Great. So now our flow is finished. We can publish this and we can test it out. So I'm going to go to the form. I'm going to say my email is adam.smith@gmail.com. My name is Adam Smith, and I was very happy with the last order. So we've submitted this Google form. We can go back to Zenfy. We can go here and see the recent runs. So this should have automatically executed our flow, which you can see is executing now. So if we click on it, we should be able to see the log to history here. So if we close this, we can see the name as well as the email has been logged to the history. So let's now go to my email to see this new personalized email. So we can see there is a thank you Adam Smith email. G'day, and you can see it's used the name from the form as well as the email from the form. Thank you so much for listening, and as always, your feedback will be greatly appreciated, so please reach out to me or anyone in the team, or you can add the features that you want in the Zenfy user form. Thank you and take care.